Have you ever wondered that why you're facing difficulty in any subject? The main reason is the way you are learning that subject may not be appropriate. So you need to think and understand that for learning any particular subject, what type of skills are required. Particularly, I'll talk about math and physics. Math and physics are the subject where we need more of visualization than anything else. Particularly if I talk about physics, then we see around ourselves lots of activities which are part of physics happening. Like when I say force and motion, okay, so you can experience different types of forces around yourself. You will be finding each and every body, either it is at rest or it is in motion. So you should be able to visualize that. And in maths, for example, let's say if I talk about vectors, so from the definition perspective, it is very easy to understand what are vectors. Everyone knows it will be magnitude and direction. But when we talk about vectors in real life, how we have to apply them in our real life, over there you need to improve on your visualization, and only you will be able to understand the topic and solve any random question based on it very easily.